when you are adaptable for anything, AI skills is the current trending skills.
AI, because nowadays AI are getting speed up more and more.
Like how quickly you adapt to the technology and use it to your benefit.
The world of work is changing fast, and so are the skills that matter. So, this International Youth Skills Day, we are asking people one simple question: what skills do they think will shape the future? Hey guys, this is Dhwani Rajagore from the Mainstream. Let's hear what they had to say about it. Which matters more today, being adaptable or being an expert, and why?
According to me, I feel that being adaptable is more wise choice at current generation wise. Because being an expert just keeps you restricted to a certain point. But in the end, when you are adaptable for anything, like for currently, if I say, for example, AI skills is the current trending skills in majority wise. So time to time, whenever you learn new things, then it will upskill yourself better other than keeping in learning the same skill again and again. So it will also help you explore more new opportunities, as well as socializing skills might also enhance in that.
What's one skill you think will become more valuable over the next 5 years?
I think it's about dealing with people. I mean, because it's very good. I feel intelligence, and I think we have to take from people. And something that could be perfect, people have to feel like.
What's a one skill you wish you started learning much earlier?
Okay, so the skill which I would like to learn earlier, which is AI, because nowadays AI are getting speed up more and more. For example, learning, progressing, and using it as a automation skills, the manual works are being lesser. So I would really love if I would have learned the AI and everything earlier.
What's one skill you think will become more valuable over the next 5 years?
So looking at the technology that is coming now, I feel your adaptability to the technology will become really valuable in 5 years. Like how quickly you adapt to the technology and use it to your benefit.
What's one underrated skill that deserves more attention?
So mainly I think it's about networking or connecting with people. That is underrated, I feel.
Have you ever learned a skill outside the classroom that helped you in real life? What was it?
मोस्टली तो क्विक लर्निंग, क्योंकि एआई के जमाने में तो सब रैपिडली चेंज हो रहा है, तो जल्दी सीखना इम्पोर्टेंट है उसके लिए. तो वही जो मैंने आउटसाइड द क्लास सीखी है, रट्टा नहीं मारा है किसी चीज का, बस सीखते जाओ जल्दी, यही फ्यूचर है.
From adaptability and communication to creativity and continuous learning, it's clear that success today isn't just about what you know, it's about how willingly you are to keep learning. This International Youth Skills Day, remember, the skills you invest in today can shape the opportunities you create tomorrow. Keep watching the Mainstream for more news and updates. This is Dhwani Rajagore.